Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to generate Lollipop chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In a Tableau, the variables are divided into two zones. So this is the first zone is for dimension. Basically, dimensions are those variables which are categorical, and this is the zone of measures. Measures are continuous variable. So I'll pick up sales from here and drop it into the columns. Again, I will pick up sales and drop it into the columns. Now I'll pick up the subcategory from here and drop it into the rows. Now I'll click here and convert this into the dual axis, and I'll make this entire view. Now you can see here that in marks we are having sales and sales 2. We will convert one of them into the bar chart. So let's say we pick up the sales 2 and we convert this into the bar chart. We will decrease the size from here. Now we will go in the first sales and make sure that the circle is on. We will increase the size of the circle from here. So you can see we have created the lollipop. Now we want the different colors of this lollipop. So I'll pick up the profit from here and drop it into the color. If I want to change the colors of the lollipop, I'll click on color, edit colors. I can select any combination from here. For example, I select orange, blue, diverging, apply, OK, and I will get different color lollipops. I can also change the shapes from here. I'll activate the sales in which the circles are on. I'll go into the shape selection and I'll activate the square. You can see now we are having square. Moreover, I can again go back and activate shape from here. I'll select shape and select the stars. So this is also possible. So this is a way you can generate the lollipop chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please press the like button.